before you're grown up. And when I grow up, I will eat sweets every day. On the way to work, and I will go to bed late every night. And I will wake up when the sun comes up, and I will watch cartoons until my eyes go square. And I won't care, 'cause I'll be all grown up when I grow up. When I grow up, when I grow up, when I grow up, I'll be strong enough to carry all the heavy things you have to haul around with you when you're a grown up. When I grow up, when I grow up, when I grow up, I'll be brave enough to fight the creatures that you have to fight beneath the bed each night to be a grown up. And when I grow up, I will have dreams every day, and I'll play with things that won't pretend, that won't think of fun. And I'll wake up when the sun comes up, and I will spend all day just lying in the sun. And I won't work, 'cause I'll be all grown up when I grow When I grow up, I will be brave enough to fight the creatures that I have to fight beneath the bed each night to be a grown up. When I grow up, just because the fine life's not fair, it doesn't mean that you just have to grin and bear it. If you're safe on the chin and wear it, nothing will change. When I grow up, just because I found myself in this story, it doesn't mean that everything is written for me. If I think the ending is fixed already, I might as well be saying, you think that it's okay, and that's not right.